Hello, ladies and gentlemen. How are you guys doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'll be teaching you guys how to make money using local dropshipping. Okay. If you've ever heard about the term dropshipping, basically means selling someone else's products at a certain profit. Okay, and they're usually physical products, unlike affiliate marketing that are usually information products. Okay, so my name is Kingsley Anajemba, and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, we'll talk about everything entrepreneurship, digital marketing, tech, and how to make money online. Okay. If you are a new subscriber, if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Hit the subscribe button so that you'll be notified whenever I drop amazing videos like this. And then if you're an already existing subscriber, thank you so much for coming back here. I really appreciate you. Are a champion. Okay. Alright, so guys, without much further ado, let us jump right into the presentation. Okay. Okay, so overview, what you will be learning. This presentation will teach you all about dropshipping, local dropshipping, and how to get started immediately. If you know me, I'm a no fluff guy. I like doing things, I like making things easy for people, and I like implementation. I like when people can implement like immediately. Okay, no excuses, man. Get started immediately. Okay, so that's what this presentation is going to teach you. Okay, so what you will learn what is dropshipping, what is local dropshipping, how to start local dropshipping, traffic sources you should use as a dropshipper, creating a dropshipping brand, creating a store. Should I use a store, or should I use a an online store or a sales funnel? How do I get the products to sell? How do I fulfill orders? Okay, rinse and repeat basically. Okay, so let's get into it. Just like affiliate marketing, dropshipping simply means selling someone else's products, usually physical products, for profit. Okay, means that you might see a product that is being sold for I don't know, maybe $2 or $3, and you see that the product is something nice, but it's not so popular. You could decide to pick it up and sell it for, I don't know, $14. Okay, that's dropshipping. All right, you decide. Unlike affiliate marketing, where the percentage is being determined by the owner of the course or the product, here in dropshipping or local dropshipping, you determine the amount of profit you want to sell the stuff for. Okay, so that's what dropshipping means. Okay, so now what is local dropshipping? Local dropshipping simply means doing dropshipping, but this time you are selling products that are already in your home country to people in your home country. Okay, that is what local dropshipping means, like doing stuff in your local your home country. Okay, not selling it to other countries. That's what local dropshipping means. Okay, how to start local dropshipping? So you simply find a hot selling product, confirm it's available in your country, build a sales funnel, run adverts, and start selling. Guys, let me dwell on the hot selling product parts a little bit longer. Now, what is a hot selling product? A hot selling product is a product that you can't easily find in a store, something that will spark immediate interest when when a customer sees it. That is what a hot selling product is. Okay, it's not something you just walk into Walmart or walk into any of your normal retail stores and find it there. No, it has to be something amazing, something intriguing, something that will wow you, a wow product, something that will be like, wow, so this is amazing. I mean, this is stuff that this is stuff that I didn't know I needed. This is like the missing piece in my house. So I want to get it immediately. So that is what we call a hot selling product. So those are kind of products that you sell that you sell as a dropshipper or a local dropshipper. Okay, cool. Now, traffic sources you should use as a dropshipper. Number one, always the king of them all, the king. That is Facebook ads. Man, you have close to 2 billion daily Facebook users. Do you know what that means? 2 billion people logging into one particular platform every day. Do you know how much that could revolutionize your business if you could get just 1 or 2% of that traffic seeing what you sell? Do you know how that could change your business? Of course you do. Alright, so Facebook ads, Instagram ads, your Twitter profile, your Facebook profile, WhatsApp status, Google ads, YouTube ads, Bing ads, whatever it is. Traffic sources that you should use as a dropshipper. Wherever people can see stuff online, put your product there. TikTok even, okay? All right. Now, building a dropshipping brand, have a logo. Now, these are some of the simple things you do that would make you stand out in the market, okay? As a dropshipper, build a brand, have a logo, have one or two brand colors that would appear across all your designs, so that you just make things, just create some kind of harmony in your business, okay? Have a dedicated phone number, have a dedicated email address, have customer service, okay? Now, how I do mine is that I have a friend of mine that works with me, okay? So she takes care of the calls, so whenever I get an order, or at the end of the day, or whenever I get a certain number of orders, I just send them to her and she makes the calls, okay? And we have a name across all the emails, and even on this show stuff, like, okay, this person is going to call you, so like it's going to make the customers feel more relaxed when they're speaking. They feel like they've known you for a long time, because they must have seen the name on the website that, okay, so person is going to call you to confirm your order. So when the person does eventually call, the person will be like, okay, hello, my name is Dace, I'm calling you. Be like, oh, I know, stuff like that. So that's one of the things that would make a difference in your business, okay? Now, building a store. Should I use a website or a sales funnel? Now, the answer is simple. Use a website if you are selling more than one product at a time and accepting payments online. Use a sales funnel if you are selling just one product at a time and doing payments on delivery. Now, this doesn't apply to all the whole countries, okay? If you're in Nigeria, of course, I'm in Nigeria and I'm shooting this video in Nigeria. So if you're in Nigeria and you are selling, you are doing local dropshipping, okay? Always use a sales funnel, number one. And number two, because of Nigerians that used to pay on delivery mostly. Okay, if you're not a big e-commerce brand in Nigeria like Jumia and Konga and the rest of it, people will not feel comfortable paying for physical products online. If they are informational products, that's a different thing entirely. They don't have an issue with that. But physical products, Nigerians don't welcome that idea very well. Okay, so if you're in the US or any other country, of course you could use a sales funnel or a website. But I want you to know the reason why we always talk about a sales funnel. A sales funnel is to help you reduce distraction. Of course, you could use your normal e-commerce website where you have different pages and other products, okay? But the thing is that the customer might be checking out the product that you wanted them to buy, and then all of a sudden they'll see something else that will just spark their interest, and then they'll go there to look at it, and then from there they'll see another thing, and then before you know what's happening, the baby might just cry, or the phone goes off, or the dog starts barking, or something just happens, or a call just comes in, and that's how they will get off your store without buying anything. Okay, that's why we usually preach that people use a sales funnel if they're selling just one thing to help reduce distraction, okay, and maximize people's short attention span, which is known fact is this attention span has reduced drastically, okay. Okay, so but the sales funnel is going to help you minimize all of that. You just have just one product, there's no menu, just one product, one button to purchase just that product, okay. Now after you purchase, there might be upsells and downsells, but at every given point in time you are selling one product on a page. That is what the sales funnel is for. So okay, if you want to do dropshipping the big way, and have a lot of products to sell, definitely use an e-commerce site, connect your payment gateway to it. But if you want to do a local dropshipping model and you want to sell one product at a time, there are people that just want to do one product. Some people like doing one product store. So if you're such a person, please use a sales funnel, okay? Cool. So how do I get products to sell? Now, for the sake of this video, I'm going to be talking about what works here in Nigeria. If you're outside Nigeria, if you're in the US, the UK, Canada, Australia, wherever you are, I don't know how retail stores work there, okay? But in Nigeria, we have some big e-commerce brands, or I don't know how e-commerce stores work. Those countries rather. So in Nigeria, I have some big e-commerce brands. So I have and here Gigi tops the list on places where you could get products to sell. Okay, so if you see a hot selling product online and you like it, go to Gigi and look for it. Okay, The Gigi tops the list here, followed by Konga. These are Nigerian e-commerce stores, just in case you are watching from outside the country. Okay, so Gigi and Konga. All right, so let me tell you why I mentioned Konga. Most people don't know that on Konga you can actually place an order. Well, no, not place an order, but before you place an order, you just chat the support, the customer care line, the only line, tell you that, hey, I need this product, but I need it immediately. Okay, it's called express shipping. So if it's available, they'll tell you that it's available, and they'll ship it to you immediately. But if it's not available, they'll tell you that, okay, can we give you the phone number to person that sells products? Okay, I've done it before on Konga, and I was really surprised that they could do that. So always check that out. Okay, so if for any reason you don't find a product on Gigi, probably you're looking for it, if you don't find it on Gigi, please head over to Konga and chat the customer care and tell them that you need a product, and they'll definitely help you out. So if you're outside Nigeria, the same principles apply. Okay, so how do you fulfill the order? Now let me dwell on this part a little bit. Dropshipping basically means that you see a product, hot selling products. Let's use let's say a coffee mug. You see that kind of copy. There's this coffee mug that helps you stir tea. So you see that coffee mug, you see it in a store and it's being sold for $3. And you know how impressive that stuff looks. You know, when you see stuff like that that's helping you stay on your tea or coffee, it looks really nice. Okay, so you're like, well, I know that if I sell this thing, because if I sell it online, I'm going to get a lot of orders. Okay, it sparks your interest. So all you have to do is just to create an online store, a sales funnel, upload the products of that, pictures of that product there, and run traffic, run adverts for that. So now of course you're going to be selling at a particular profit. So let's say it's been sold for $3 in a brick and mortar store, you could be selling it for like $8 or $10 on your online store. So once you receive an order, all you have to do is just call the person that has the product and tell them that, hey, someone makes an offer, you be like, you send the delivery guy to pick it up from the vendor and then take it to the customer. The delivery guy also collects payments on your behalf and sends it to you. Okay, so basically you don't touch these products. You don't even need to know where the vendor is located. Okay, you bank on people's trust. That's what I say a lot. And one of the most important key factors here is the delivery company, because they will basically be helping you manage your money or handle your money, or your money will be passing through them, you understand. So they help you go to the vendor, pick it up, pay the vendor, and then take it to the customer that's made the order, deliver it to the customer, and then collect your money and send it over to you. Okay, that's how you fulfill the orders. Okay, so that's how local dropshipping works. Okay, so what should you do right now? All right, so get started immediately. Go online, look for products that are hot selling, or go to any of go to the nearest store around you, look for products that spark your interest. Look at the profit margin, check if it's something you can sell online and get started immediately. Build a simple sales funnel, run traffic to you, create a Facebook page and get started immediately. If you need help creating a Facebook page, I have a video here on this channel, just look for it, create a Facebook page and get started immediately. But if you need me and my team to help you handle everything, product research, help you build a sales funnel, help you run traffic and everything, it's going to cost you 70,000 naira or $122. Okay, so if you're interested in taking that offer, just hit the button on tap the link on the description below and send me a message on WhatsApp. Okay, and I'll be more than willing to help you. All right. And then if you have any other needs, like build a sales funnel for your online course or something, or you need a website, also chat me up on WhatsApp. All right. Thank you. Have a great day, guys. And please, if you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button so that you'll be notified when I drop amazing videos like this. And to those that subscribe already, peace out. I love you guys.